Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Qabliqo, that's Qabliqo, Boho Door Mat. This is going to be their boho night design. It's going to be basically a moon like moon with stars in the background. You can currently get this on Amazon for $24. But what we'll do is we'll just take this out of the package and show you what it looks like. As far as size, it's going to be, what's it called, 17 by 30 inches. And then, I don't know, it didn't say the material, but this is what it looks like. And, so it's a little bit lighter and grayer than I anticipated. So on the images on Amazon, it looked more like a really dark black with this moon feature and then the stars in the background. I'm kind of mixed on what I think about it, just because I thought it was going to be a blacker black. So I'll have to lay it down and kind of look like what it looks like as compared to the other mat. I did do a recent review on a separate boho door mat that's actually a sun motif with water across the bottom and like this. So basically I was planning on putting on this on the inside of my apartment and then the other one on the outside, just for the theme. But I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. As far as the texture, so it's weird. It's like some sort of synthetic that's like got a grainy texture to it, but it's not like a material that's gonna pull up. So it's more of like a rubbery material. So it's like a little bit stiffer, like almost like recycled plastic. And it has a like sponginess to it. So like when you step on it or like push against it, it's got like a plasticky, spongy feel. I feel like it's like recycled plastic, and I think it might be, because when I looked on the website, I think that might have been saying that. And then on the back here, there's not really like a non-stick surface. So the other one had rubber where it was really non-stick and you could tell, but this one's just more of like a sheet of plastic essentially with a little bit of texture. And if you press it, it slides a little bit, but it doesn't slide crazily. Overall, I think it's a little bit lighter than I anticipated, but to be honest, with the overall design and what it looks like, I'll probably stick with this and try it out. What I'll do is I'll lay this next to the other one just so you can see a side-by-side comparison and the thought of like how I laid this out for my apartment. Okay, so here's what it looks like. To be honest, I actually kind of like it because my apartment does have a lot of gray and white accents. So it does go fine. If it was blacker, I probably like it a little bit more because it would give more pop and pop out the moon motif. But as far as the other one, that's the one thing you have to consider too, is like, does the door hit it on a regular basis? And I think I might just have to press it down a little bit or put something underneath it so it doesn't slide at all, but it seems okay. And then this is the other one. And so basically I'll have the moon and the sun lined up like this. And that's the general sense, is like the sun and the moon like next to it, which I think is a really cool, thoughtful design. It's kind of unique from that standpoint. And that one, you can check out the link below as well. I'll leave that. But that one, I think was $20. This was $24, and they're the exact same size, 17 by 30. But I like the look, so I'm gonna stick with this. I really like it. It looks good from that theme. But thanks for watching and have a great day.